Hi, I'm Tom Freyberg, reporting for Aquatech TV here in Shanghai, China. Please say I'm joined by Henry Zhuang, who's from IKEA. Henry, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. Yeah.
Thank you. Well, thank you for joining me here today.
Yeah, it's a good. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
a good
it's,
opportunity. We talk sustainability. We talk water. Yeah.
Exactly. Very key themes, and you've just been speaking here at the Industrial Leaders Forum.
Yeah.
So I really want to get to. I mean, IKEA is a famous worldwide brand.
Yeah.
I think, in fact, globally it ranks amongst one of the top recognised brands. Personally, I've got some shelving units. One was delivered last week. Yeah. Everyone knows it. But really, I want to know about the water footprint. How big is IKEA's water footprint in its manufacturing operations? And what are you doing globally across your supply chain to improve that?
Yeah, we already collect all the water footprints the worldwide. Yeah? Every year we have supply sustainability index, and which one of the footprint is water. Yeah. Footprint is water, and also we had the energy footprint. We had the solid waste to landfill footprint.
Yeah.
Yeah. But every year we will publish it.
And so we're looking at energy, water, waste.
Yeah.
And really, how are you improving your water footprint? Because obviously industrial water usage, not only from furniture manufacturing across, people are looking how to really make savings, perhaps reuse water on site. What is IKEA doing in some of these areas?
We encourage suppliers to make water saving, and also to make a good treatment of water. And the base point, all the suppliers must meet the local legal government requirements.
Yeah.
And then we ask them to go beyond these legal requirements, because we want it to be better.
So
and this is a really interest all the stakeholders, particularly from customers. Customer would like to know what our product will produce and what there will be in water also. Energy and water combined together.
And I was reading that you've undertaken a project where over a period of 3 years you have visited the different factories around the world to assess. What were some of the findings from that project? Where do you think there can be direct savings, particularly on water?
I'm not saying home, but usually we had several of us suppliers were in this STWI, Swedish Textile Water Initiative project, and most of our factory, I think they already saved about 50% of water, each of factory. Yeah.
Each factory has basically cut its water footprint in half.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And can you say how they did that? Did they reusing rainwater or?
They usually they updated their management system. They stopped the leakings, and they reused the light polluted water again by treated, and also several suppliers invest big equipment to change the process, and they get it recycled. Yeah.
So investment into the water treatment technology within the factories to reduce the footprint. Okay. So in terms of looking forward, what are your goals for the sustainable agenda in energy, water, waste, say 2025 beyond?
We usually every year as a supplier to have 5% or to 10% water reduce, and also we do not say as a supplier totally go to a zero water discharge, but we are pursuing for this. And if suppliers they can go this way, we really support supply with the technologies and with the support of audit, and with also we ask them or introduce them some of our new technologies, and doing the audit and doing the support.
So if there's the opportunity for zero liquid discharge, we will
pursue it.
IKEA will invest, promote, because it means the wastewater doesn't have to be discharged into the environment. You have a solid you can take to landfill, and it reduces the overall environmental impact of the site. Okay.
Not IKEA make investment, the supplier we encourage supplier to make investment.
Right, okay.
And also, we really do a lot of trainings in each of our suppliers. Yeah.
So you're looking across the supply chain.
Yeah. We had the supply sustainability index, and we have our water saving initiatives. Yeah. We have our people and planet positive strategy. Now this is a strategy, and we are already published in 2010. Yeah, and we are make a new version of this positive planet and people positive strategies, and we do a lot of things in the last years, several years ago, and we will continue to do these things. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, Henry, thanks for the update there. I think really the way you're driving and helping the supply chain reach the ZLD, zero liquid discharge, as well as how some of your factories have reduced the water footprint by 50% is really quite promising. And like I said, your brand has so much power around the world. It's really important that you're leading in this area. So
it's a teamwork, yeah.
Well, there's so many people involved.
Yeah. A lot of, particularly for our business team, yeah. And it's also, we shall thank the suppliers, their boss, their initiative also, yeah. Their corporations within the factory. Yeah.
And they need to have the support from IKEA corporately. Yeah. Brilliant. Well, Henry, I want to thank you for your time. Cheers, and best of luck at the rest of the conference.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
also.
you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.